Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about the histology of the trachea. So here we are seeing the histology. Right, let's go to the features. So first of all, the mucosa consists of pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium with the goblet cells here. This is the pseudostratified, okay? Pseudo means false layer, ciliated, cilia you are finding, and this is the columnar epithelium. And here this white things you are finding, these are all the goblet cells, okay? And the lamina propria, please note this point that lamina propria is also there in the tongue. That is a different lamina propria. Here it is, here the lamina propria is different, please don't confuse, okay? Here you are finding in this lamina propria, we are finding the vessels. You are finding the vessels, some fibers also you are finding. You are finding the glands, the mucus and the serous glands. Okay. You are finding the submucosa. Okay. And then we are finding the hyaline cartilage. So why are we having this territorial, interterritorial matrix? You may be thinking, array, what is this? Why? Because hyaline cartilage. Trachea is lined by hyaline cartilage. Just remember this much. Okay. These are features of hyaline cartilage. You are finding the territorial and interterritorial matrix. You are also finding the cell nest. This is your territorial and interterritorial matrix. Here you are finding a number of chondrocytes. Okay. And this is your hyaline cartilage with the perichondrial layer. Okay. This is the histology of the trachea. So references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to the end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.